Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to change the language of your Wix website or dashboard to English. This method is perfect if you have accidentally switched or just prefer English navigation. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps here. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for wix.com. Once you are on Wix, you need to simply log in into your Wix account. Over here in the right hand corner of the screen, you will see your profile icon. So you need to just click on it and go to your account settings. In your account settings, you will see the general option. In your general option, you will see languages. So from the drop down menu, you need to select English as your preferred language. English can be of United States or United Kingdom. So you need to select that and press the same option over here. Your dashboard will reload and it will show you all of your content in the English language. Now you need to go back over here on this page. Then you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on settings. In your settings, you can either just scroll down, or what you can do is you can simply use the search bar and search for language and region. After selecting it, you will see the site language. So here again, you need to click on this option. From this list, you need to select English as your preferred language, and then you need to just scroll down and click on the save option if it asks you to do. Or what you can do is you can simply just select the English language for the account languages as well, and you are done with it. Now, if you want to change the language of your site editor, you can just come on the setup page, click on the design website option in the top right hand corner. In your site editing page, you will see the language and the region option. So you need to simply click on that and apply English variant, and you are done. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.